Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today I teach you questions and answers of lesson 5, a visit of English class 10 syntax book board. Dear students, this lesson 5, a visit, is on page number 15 in your English book. So, please, first of all, you should read this lesson very carefully and learn the meanings of the difficult words which you find in this lesson. Look up the meanings of the difficult words in a good dictionary. Today, I am only solving the questions which are given in the exercise. There are total 12 questions in exercise A, comprehension. Question number 1 is, why were Mr. Ahmed's students excited? Before I give you the answers of the question, let me give you a brief introduction of this lesson. This lesson is about a visit. Mr. Ahmed's class made a picnic program. They went to visit an agricultural farm where they saw different things. The machinery was working there and they learnt about some of the crops which were grown on that model agricultural farm. All these you will learn in the lesson. So please read it very carefully. Mr. Ahmed was a class teacher and the manager of the model agricultural farm was Mr. Hassan. The boys visited this farm and they enjoyed it very much because they got much information about the agriculture. All this has been mentioned in this lesson. So you should read the lesson very carefully. Here I am going to solve the questions. Question number 1 is, why were Mr. Ahmed's students excited? The answer of this question is, Mr. Ahmed's students were excited because they had made a picnic program. Question number 2, what surprised the boys when they reached the model agricultural farm? The answer of this question is, the boys had no idea that an agricultural farm could be so large and interesting, so they were excited. Question number 3, what is the name of the machine working in the wheat field? The answer of this question is, the name of the machine working in the wheat field is combine. Now, question number 4. What does a thresher do? The answer of this question is, a thresher threshes the wheat. It separates the grain from the chaff. Now, question number 5. How are pillowing, seeding, and harvesting done on the model farm? The answer of this question is, pillowing, seeding, and harvesting are done with machinery on the model farm. Now, question number 6. How much work can one man do on the machine? The answer of this question is, one man can do as much work as 100 men working without machine. Now, question number 7. What is the average produce from an ordinary farm? The answer of this question is, the average produce from an ordinary farm is 15 to 20 quintals of wheat. Now, question number 8. What is the produce per hectare on the model farm? The answer of this question is the produce per hectare on the model farm is 60 to 70 quintals of wheat. Please remember that 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilograms. Now, question number 9. Why is there a difference in the output of the two? The answer of this question is there is a difference in the output of the two because of the modern methods of farming. Modern methods of farming. They use machinery, they select best seeds, and they use spray to kill germs and wild grasses. They don't allow wild grasses grow there. That's why there is a difference between the output of the two. Now question number 10. What do they do to kill germs and insects? They spray. The answer of this question is they spray insecticides to kill germs and insects. Now question number 11. What do they grow on the model farm? The answer of this question is they grow wheat, cotton, maize, sugarcane, vegetables, mangoes, cucumbers on the model farm. Question number 12, last question. Why were the boys surprised on the vegetable farm? The answer of this question is the boys were surprised on the vegetable farm to see growing there seasonless vegetables, the vegetables which were out of season. Thank you very much.